Hello everyone, welcome back. In my previous video, I made a video on how we could do data analysis in Excel using one single function. In case you want to have a look at that, I'll leave a link to that video in the description. In this video, I'm going to be talking about another cool function in Excel in the Office 365 version, which will help you further augment your data analysis skills. Before that, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest in Python, Pandas and Excel for data analysis. I am using the free online version of Excel for this video so that anyone can follow along. You need not have the subscription so that you can learn these skills. So let's take a look at it right now. So in any data analysis project, we always want to work with subsets of data. When you're given a data set, you will often find yourself querying the data, writing some code to filter the data, or getting smaller chunks of the data to analyze the bits and pieces of the data as per different conditions. That may be called as queries for any database language or any other coding language you may write, filter conditions. So let's take a look how we do that in Excel. So I'm going to write, say I want to filter this data for certain conditions and I want to make it dynamic. So let me write down the conditions. Say I want to filter by category. Let me write that down here. Then the length of the product. And last, the cost. Say if these three conditions for now, let's say length greater than some values and cost also greater than some values. I want to filter, I can have any number of conditions. So let's take a look at this for understanding. So first, let me copy the column. Okay, just paste it so it'll be easy to see the data set below. Now let's write this cool filter spillover function. I call the filter function. Let's see its parameters is asking for the range which I want to filter. So I'm going to select this entire range here. I'll hit comma. And now it's asking to include the condition which I want to filter. So let's say first is category. So I'm going to select here. It's blank now. Okay, and I will say, let me select this range because I want to filter the category. Okay, this range equal to this value. Okay, I'm going to put this in brackets because I'm going to have multiple conditions here. So for having multiple conditions, you need to put in brackets and you can use the asterisk for appending multiple conditions. Second conditions, I want length greater than. So I'll select the length column and greater than this value. And let's put this also in bracket because I want to have another condition. The third condition, and you can have any condition or any combinations. And now the third condition is, let's put this in bracket. That is for the cost. And let us put this in bracket. All right. And hit enter. Okay. I think I have missed one bracket. Let's take a look. Okay, it's worked. It has given a calculation error because I have not put any condition. So let's put some conditions here. Small. Okay, and you can see it has filtered, give the filter data for the small condition. I can add length also, say greater than 3, the next condition, and it has filtered the data again dynamically. And we can put cost also, say cost greater than 56. And you can see I can analyze the data dynamically and it will work for that in a manner. Okay, so now let us try to do something else. Okay, let us say I do this for medium. Okay, it is done for medium. Okay, the same thing I can do it for large. It has filtered the data for large. Okay, and so you can see I can directly do this, like dynamically. And the cool part of this is that it's dynamic with the main data set. So if I delete one record from here, one value, I'll delete this large. You can see automatically the rows has got reduced from 4 to 3 rows. I'll add it again, and dynamically the 4th row appears. So that's a cool neat feature, so that this entire subset of data is dynamic with relation to the main data set, and you can do your data analysis on this at any time. So let's take a look and how we can augment this with the aggregate function as we've seen in the previous video. Again, let us copy this. I'm going to copy only till median for simplicity. You have seen in the previous video how we can apply this for larger scale. Okay, let us paste this here. Okay, now I want to do some analysis on these values, on these filtered values. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me paste it below so I have more space. Okay, let me paste it here. Okay, analysis on the filtered values because these values are dynamic, right? So that's why I've taken it below. So aggregate again with function number, comma, I'm going to say ignore hidden values, and last the array. So I want to do for this array. Okay, let me fix this because I'm going to drag it. So I want the position to be fixed, only the row position. Okay, so hit F4, okay, only the row position. Close this. Okay, close the bracket, hit enter, and it gives me the value. Okay, now again, let me see. I want to drag this down, and I want to drag this across. So for dragging it across, I need to fix the column position here. Hit F4 again, hit F4, and the column position is fixed. Okay, so now I can drag this down, and you have all your statistical analysis for this column. I drag this across, and you have your statistical analysis on all your filtered data. Now all you need to do is change the filter condition, and your statistical analysis change, right? So you can do statistical analysis of all filtered conditions, right? Multiple queries, and for those queries, again, I'll put medium. You can see your data is changing below dynamically. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of the same, do stay tuned for the latest of data analysis in Python, Pandas, and Excel. Leave a comment on the video and a like if you like this video, and stay tuned to my channel and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.